This has something to do with what I want to talk to you about today. And bear with me, I'll be reading out something from this piece of paper. Happy is he who still loves something he loved in the nursery. He has not been broken in two by time. He is not two men, but one. And he has saved not only his soul, but his life. That's by G.K. Chesterton, Gilbert Keith. And Wikipedia tells me he's an English writer, a philosopher, a lay theologian, and a literary and art critic. And he's also referred to as the Prince of Paradoxes. Wonder why? So, yeah, what is this gentleman saying, and how did I come across him, and why do I want to talk about him? So first thing first, I subscribe to the Hindu newspaper, and the weekend, the supplement section of the paper carries this section on quizzes, and this time the quiz was on nurturing rhymes, right? And no wonder this gentleman was quoted. So what is G.K. Chesterton trying to tell us? Let's have a look again. Happy is he who still loves something he loves in the nursery. He has not been broken in two by time. He is not two men, but one, and he has saved not only his soul, but his life. Wow. Wow, I loved what he said. I loved what he's expressed, and I simply am in love with the way he has put things. And I'm telling you, had this gentleman been here right in front of me, I would have surely proposed. So, yes, what is he trying to tell us to do, and what am I trying to tell you to do by quoting him twice? I'm just telling you to reconnect with the child within, bring to fore that childlike quality that many of us seem to have lost somewhere, right? In the rigmarole of the daily life, we are so busy being adults and mature all the time that we are forgetting that we had this wonderful childlike quality. We used to be innocent, we used to be so much more genuine, we used to be expressive, we used to say what we want, and we used to demand that we get it, and hell would break loose if we would not get what we wanting. Right, that was a different time for all of us, I know, but just do you remember the energy that you felt at that time? How hopeful you were, how trusting, and how much faith you had in people and in yourself. There was nothing that was not within your reach. There was nothing that you couldn't conquer. um what happened down the line, guys? Why have we become so sour and so bitter and so non-trusting and so non-hopeful in life? Please don't let that happen to yourself. Just rekindle the energy of the childhood. Be childlike. I'm not asking you to be immature. I mean, be immature if you have to be childlike at all, if that is your bandwidth. But can you do that today? Can you rekindle the innocence? Can you bring that light of childhood back into your eyes, that spark? Can you bring back that warmth into your heart, the warmth of trust, of being genuine, of being hopeful? I don't care about the baggage or anything. I don't care what happened to you in the past and what is not going to happen to you in future and why you're fretting and fuming about it. All I care about is today and right now, and I'm wanting you to reach out to the child within. Can you do that today? Please do that. Just look what he goes to say. He is not two men, but one. We are broken people in so many ways. Why do we feel so broken? I mean, let's not, I don't want you to get serious about it. Just be happy, be childish. And what does he say? He has saved not only his soul, but his life. So go ahead, save your life. Such a precious gift that we have. Save your life, save your day, save your soul. Reconnect with the child within with all my heart.